y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lindy and this is Lindiorslife, and you are back for another one. Duh, we are back doing our hair. This hair is from ALIPEARL. It's their chocolate brown hair. Got it in 20 inches. I have a video installing it, and in the description box there's basically my opinions on the wig. But what I will say now, seeing that we're sitting here, the lace is really good. The hair is really soft. It's actually thicker than you would think. That's good because I think I only got 150 density. I'm short, so this 20-inch goes like right under my boob, like rib cage area. So do what you want to do with that information. I'm 5'2". What else about this? Yeah, I think it's good hair. I enjoy it so far. It does shed, not a lot, but like it sheds. So just so you know, I didn't color it, came colored. So take that information like you want to take it, because I don't know, girl. But yeah, to me it's worth it. And I think I paid definitely under 300, like 2 something. So that's good. Yeah, so anyway, today we're styling the hair into this cute style that I did for homecoming. Here's some pictures, blah 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 blah. Yeah, ate it up. And I'm like, you know, I need to do it for the girls. Yeah, so we're styling this hair. So I'm gonna just show you how to do it right now. It's in side part, it's installed, but you know, we gotta make it look fast. So what I'm going to go in and really fix this part. I just feel like it don't need to be that swirled, or maybe it does. I don't know. Let's see. Maybe wider, but that. Actually, yeah, I like that better. Okay. Now that I've really got my part together, I'm gonna take this wax stick and just go over the parts that, you know, push them in the direction that they have to go. And then I'm gonna go in with my hot comb and really get it. Like, it's already flat, don't get me wrong, but we gotta make sure that this swoop is doing what it needs to do. So I'm just push it in the direction it has to go. Make sure everything is everything. So next thing, I'm gonna go in by like right where this line is, go down, and this is gonna be our bang. Yeah, this is gonna be our bang. So you can clip it away or whatever. And then you gotta section off the rest. So we're going ear to ear and pull it to the back. And you just gotta smoothen it. So I'm gonna just take a comb and just kind of like push it in the direction I want it to go. Or you can do it with your hand. Now I wanted it to be like real tight, so we're gonna do ponytail holder first. So I'll show y'all. Alright, so while we wait on that to heat up, we gotta think baby hair. Ooh, wait a minute. I'm pulling shit out that don't even be pulling. Oh, who's it? Wait a minute. I'm gonna take some foam. Not this much, but you get it. honestly, you can put the foam to help with the flyaways too on both sides. But yeah, gonna just swoop these baby hairs. So for the ponytail, you can leave it like this, right? If you want like, you know, a sleeker look. But the way I did it is I went in with the claw clip and I just twisted it, pulled it up, and put that claw clip right there. See what I'm saying? Now you could honestly, I might put the claw clip higher so we get more. Yeah, this is better. So yeah, make sure you put your claw clip high so you can still kind of see it. There we go. All right. Okay, so for the hair, we're gonna go in with the bang, right? And then for the bang, we're gonna curl it away from our face. Like this, just twist it around now, just go down to the bottom. And then twirl it right back up. And then hold it. I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests. And I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. Alright, so we're going to roll it up though. Because we want it to stay while we do the rest. So depending on how curly you want your hair to be, you'll make these sections big or small. Me, I'm okay with it being kind of big, so I'm gonna just do that. This side. So if you want your curls to stay more, obviously do a holding spray. You could do got to be or a actual, you know, spray. But I'm gonna just use got to be because it's what I got. Not too much on the got to be either, because if you put too much got to be, it won't be fun. Very stuck. Oh, let it go. Twist. You looking for a girl that'll treat you right in the daytime and
I am so excited because this is what using raw oils is doing to her.
Okay, gotta pull it up, pin it up. Now that we're all curled, let's take it down. Okay. Cute, bouncy. We'll go to the front part first. Yeah. Period. Okay, and just like that, we are done. And this is the hairstyle of all hairstyles. You feel me? I want this too. Hold on. Okay, this is the final look. Get into her. Yeah, real cute, real dolled up. I love it. And it wasn't even hard. So let me know how you feel down in the comments, down in the DM section. You know what I like to call it. And let me know if you like the look. If you're gonna try it, definitely hit me on Instagram or wherever and show me that you tried it. And yeah, y'all, thanks for watching. Bye.